is 6:30 a.m. Just kidding, it is 10:30 and I've done nothing productive except do 2 thumbnails and answer 1 email, barely. So I'm gonna get out of bed. I've just been chilling in bed, doing the thumbnails on my iPad, doodling on my Procreate on my iPad, and I wanna get my life together. So first step, I'm gonna get out of bed. I already had breakfast. I came back into bed after having breakfast and a coffee, and I'm gonna go work out. I have not worked out for myself I say this every time, and I'm like, I haven't worked out for myself, but even those times I'm like, I'm gonna go do a workout. I don't do a full workout. Like, I don't do cardio, I don't do weightlifting. I do maybe like a stretch. So today starts now. Made no sense. So I'm gonna go and bike. I went on the treadmill last week at one point and I think I sprained my ankle, so I'm gonna try to stay off my feet while I'm doing my workout, except for like the squats and stuff, because that doesn't bother it. What bothers it is ballet. So I'm debating on skipping a ballet day today, even though I have plenty of time to dance. It feels better this morning though. It just like feels not great in the evenings when I'm teaching, and I think it's because I'm on my feet a lot in the day. So I'm gonna start off by doing some biking, get some blood flow going, a little bit of cardio, because Lord knows I need it. Oh my gosh. I run out of breath so easily now, and that was never an issue for me because I used to regularly go to the gym. But now since we bought our house, we don't live super close to gyms, and I can't justify the price of a gym when we have all the equipment and we have all of the resources because I'm a certified personal trainer and dance teacher. But at the same time, I just can't bring myself to be motivated. So, starts today. Motivation starts today. Yes, I'm wearing SpongeBob pajamas and cat socks. Very cute outfit. It was laundry day yesterday, but I'm comfy. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna make the bed and then go and work out. In the last vlog, I went to Shoppers and I got this guy, and I think he's so adorable. He's like a little frog prince. I love him. So yeah, I'm gonna go get changed, brush my teeth, and then go brush a workout. Sorry. I think this fits Lays. The shorts are from Kaz Designs, which is a female small business in Toronto, and it's female owned. And then this top is from Popflex, which is owned by Blogilates and founded by Blogilates herself. I did a product haul and review on my channel earlier, so definitely check that out. I'm not gonna wash my face, even though I feel disgusting. I'm not gonna wash my face because clearly I need to shower after I work out today. So I'm just going to brush my teeth and then wash my face in the shower probably. I think for my workout today, because I focused on glutes a lot on Monday and Tuesday, because I was teaching Barre Fit and I taught a middle splits class with Flex Space Studios, I think I'm gonna focus on upper body, and I hate upper body so much, but it's the place I need to focus on the most. I like leg day. Also, because I live in Canada and I'm not delusional to the fact that it's freezing cold here, I am gonna wear a sweater for the beginning of my workout, and my ankle's feeling fine, so I think I will run on the treadmill a little bit, just because the bike I do like, but I prefer running, which is hilarious because if you'd asked me 5 years ago if I liked running or biking, I would have been like, I would rather spend 6 hours on a bike than even 2 minutes on a treadmill. But I don't know. I get the workout done quicker on the treadmill. I get more tired quicker, so the workout's overall shorter. You know what I mean? Because it's like total body. So is the bike, but you don't use your calves and your legs as much because you're not bearing weight. And my ankle feels totally fine. Like, it's not even swollen anymore. It's fine. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna start by walking up the high incline treadmill, doing a little bit of 12-3-30, adding running in it. And yeah, I'm also gonna do an upper body workout for sure. Yeah, I don't think we have weights down here. I'd like to completely redecorate this room too, because I want this to be like a nice industrial but aesthetic gym. We're going to eventually put some bars, like some ballet bars in here, and I want to paint the wall white, but I also like the idea of having like a full white wall, like finished white wall, and then the industrial brick showing where the bar is, because I've seen that Barre Fit BCN in Barcelona and it looks really nice, so I want to kind of emulate the aesthetic of that with some plants around here. I could put my ballet floor down here finally, because I never use it. It's like a marley floor that you have to actually put down. We just don't have any space in our house yet. We were going to convert the room upstairs that has the bathroom attached, not our bedroom, but the other room downstairs, which I never film in anymore. I used to film in a lot. We were going to convert that to a dance room, but it has carpet, and it's much more difficult to lay the floor down or get rid of the carpet. So it's like, what do? So we might just move all the ballet stuff down here. Plus, I don't know, I like the industrial look, and I like the idea of having the ballet and the workout area kind of the same. So then I can film workouts for you guys down here, even do live streams. So yeah, comment some ideas what to do in this area, and I'm gonna go run. I so did not want to run today, so I biked instead in like 20 minutes, so. It's so funny to me because originally a few minutes ago, remember how I said I would do an upper body workout because that's what I really needed the most right now? And look at these clips, guys. Yeah. How is this an upper body workout, Jasmine? I can't even stick to my own word on the treadmill. I can't stick to my own word about doing an upper body focused workout. I have to go back to leg day, go back to biking. I am just a creature of habit and nothing can stop me. I absolutely love working on hip mobility, leg strength. I did a couple push-ups here, so that's a bonus. It's 11:44 and I just kind of scrolled on TikTok and stretched. So I'm gonna go make some tea for Steve because he asked for tea like 3 hours ago and I forgot to give it to him. So I'm gonna go make him some tea and then I'm gonna go shower, wash my hair with the new Dove products that Dove Canada sent me. And yeah, also I've been using this Dove shampoo, conditioner, the 7-in-1 remedy breakage spray, and also the serum. And I have noticed a huge difference in my hair. Even though this is the 3rd day not washing it, it just feels so much smoother. It smells so good. And because my hair is super long, I have really dead ends usually, but I just feel like it's been rejuvenated in the last week. So I'm super excited to see the long-term effects because they did send me pretty big bottles. So it's not like a little sampler size. So I actually get to see the effects over time. Comment if you want to see the effects over time. I'm going to be using it forever from now on because I love it. I love the smell. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower. I'm gonna shower now and I'm gonna use the shampoo and conditioner from Dove that they sent me. I'm also going to use this afterwards and it's cool. You put it like in your scalp and it's a revival serum, leave-on treatment. You don't wash it out or anything. And I'm also going to be using 7-in-1 Miracle Mist and this is a spray, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower now. Still have to give a bathroom tour, but as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. So we need to clean it before we do that. And I also need Steve's help because I need somebody else to hold the camera. So we can show things or he can show things and I can hold the camera. But yeah, it's just nicer with help. Plus he built it, so he should take part. And also the beautiful bathtub with this gorgeous view. I took a bath last night, but it was miserable because it was cold. And I'm gonna go take a shower now because I'm kind of stinky. And of course, I'm going to use my new Breakage Remedy Duo from Dove. Class in like 15 minutes, so I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup and I didn't fully dry my hair. I'll let it air dry. I'm just gonna do a little bit of like concealer and stuff because it is with the webcam, so just want to feel cute. And it's supposed to be not amazing weather today, so I will be heading into the studio around 2:30 to get there for 3:30, but we're gonna have to wait and see what that brings us because nobody wants to have bad weather while they're driving for safety. If you guys were wondering what my kind of music is to listen to, I've always loved Miley Cyrus so much. Even in her bangers area, I love my blank pets, all of my blank pets. Love all of her eras. I stan her. My favorite era of hers was definitely Mother's Daughter. And I think that was the time when she was wearing the leather pants, she had the mullet, she was belting out songs by heart, and I was living for her then. It was like, I was always living for her, but I was living for her then. It was like 2016 or something. And her new song is Everything Flowers. It's like my favorite song to listen to right now. So I just finished my 1 to 1:30 class and I received an order or a package in the mail right as soon as the class started. So Elsa was barking because, you know, dogs, they gotta protect the house. It's so funny because obviously like it's the delivery, but I just think it's so cute that they're so protective. I love dogs. I didn't order anything, so it must be PR or something that, I think it's actually, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do an unboxing later because I'm gonna have lunch now and then get ready. Although I'm looking outside and the weather looks not very nice. It's like freezing rain, so dance might be canceled, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this later. We went out for dinner last night with some friends, so I'm gonna have some leftovers for lunch. So after lunch, I went to the dance studio and I taught from 3:30 until 9, meaning I definitely needed a coffee and a whole grain oatmeal from Starbucks, which was perfect. I also got a Starbucks heart cookie to have for dessert when I got home, and we watched RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars Season 4 when we got home. And then the next day, I worked from home, so that meant lots more kitty cuddle time and hanging out with Steven. And it meant that I could also have some extra time to practice ballet at home. When I work from home, I don't have to commute, and my commute is about 30 minutes long, so that gives me a 30-minute window to either practice some more ballet, do a quick workout, as if I do many workouts these days, other than what I showed you guys earlier in the vlog, or it means I can clean up something. And because the house was kind of relatively tidy, I decided to do a little bit of bar work, point work,
ballet technique and stretching and strengthening. So that's pretty much it for the vlog. After I did some point work and bar work, I decided to just chill. My evening clients ended up canceling. I still had one evening client from 6 until 7, so I finished kind of early, and then I just decided to, like I said, chill for the rest of the evening because Saturdays are my busiest work days in the week. I work from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. in the studio, which I absolutely love, but because that's my Saturday morning, I just wanted to rest really well Friday night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and happy dancing. Bye now.